This is the Bellapierre Precious 24 Karat Purifying Milk Cleanser, and it's a milky, cushiony face wash that feels so gentle, but still gets the job done. I just came in from the outdoors gardening, and my face has a little bit of dirt and dust on it, so I'm giving it a good clean. I've been using this as my everyday cleanse lately, and it removes the day without stripping my skin, which is a non-negotiable for me. And yes, it's infused with ultra-fine 24 karat gold powder. Not in a flashy way, just in that your skin looks quietly refreshed kind of way. Plus, it has a really pretty botanical blend with vitamins and conditioning oils, so when you rinse, your face feels clean, calm, and soft, not squeaky. My favorite part? It's unscented, it's non-abrasive, and it leaves this balanced finish that makes the rest of my routine go on really beautifully. And my sweet home tip is, keep your cleanser gentle, because starting soft is how your whole routine stays consistent. You know me, consistency is my standard. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission if you purchase through my link, at no extra cost to you. Your support helps keep me creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much.